Hey guys, it's Tayo here with Southport Chevrolet. Just here to show you a little bit about our new Bolt EV, 2023 LT. This thing's got some pretty nice features to it. Electric blue metallic. Gonna get machine face rim on this bad boy. We got our charging port right up front here. This is where you charge the thing. Illuminated charger plate, and that's where you'd plug in. If you come around to this side, we've got keyless entry on our Bolt. If you can see on the mirror here, it also has side blind zone detection. So the safety package is pretty phenomenal in these. Coming around to the back, obviously she's got a nice high definition backup camera, park assist sensors on the back there, so you're not getting too close and bumping into anything. Pretty good amount of cargo space behind this second row. This actually opens up. You get a pretty good amount of underfloor storage there too. Washer fluid jugs, that sort of thing. Close that back up for now. And we'll take you to the inside and show you some of the features in there. Alrighty guys, now that we're inside of the Bolt here, I'm a pretty tall guy, you know, I'm just about 6'4", and I've got a considerable amount of room in this thing. I got lots of headroom still. Legs aren't too buckled up. So for a tall guy, I'm still fitting in this pretty well. Show you the infotainment. Now this thing's loaded. It's got heated front seats, heated steering wheel up front here, auto climate control, essentially working like a thermostat at home. All your standard features as far as climate goes. It's got cruise control on this one, forward collision detection. This thing's got around a 400 kilometer range on a full charge. You can see it's sitting at about 342 left right now, and it even tells you how much power you're using as it's running. So right now we're sitting at about 7 kilowatts. Nice big touch screen where we've got our audio phone controls, energy spot here to show what kind of battery is getting used and where it's going. Gives you some details about how much to charge it and how long it would take to charge. So quite a few good bits of info. You can keep an eye on your driving habits. Alrighty guys, this center console here, this would be our shifter. Now this has a CVT transmission, and it does feel a little bit different from your standard ICE vehicles. You really don't feel the shifts at all. It's a slow and steady, you know, forward speed. These are equipped with one pedal driving, which what this little button here does. You can essentially drive this with just the gas pedal, the acceleration pedal. As soon as you let off the throttle, it's going to start to slow itself down and recharge the batteries with the brakes. So easy enough to operate. It's in park right now. Pull this little guy back, we're going to drive. Same idea for reverse. Now that we're in reverse, have a look at that nice HD camera back there. Beautiful, quiet. I can't even hear myself thinking this thing. Alrighty you guys, lastly I want to show you just the back seat compartment here too. Pretty good amount of space. So 5-seater, 5 buckles. Let's see how this 6'3" man can fit in the back here. 6'4". Lots of leg room. I'm feeling pretty cozy. Maybe not quite as much headroom back here, but I'm wearing a hat, so. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to come and see it in person, give us a call.